Good morning, my dear children. Good morning to all. Today I am going to teach you in an English book, chapter number 8, sound of TH. Sound of TH. TH. The sound is it. CK. CK. The sound is ik. Sound of TH, it. CK, ik. These both sounds we are going to see in this lesson. See, the page number is 18, chapter number is 8. See, listen carefully the sound of TH, only TH. See, look at the first picture. What is this? Teeth. What is this? Teeth. T-E-E-T-T-H, it, teeth. See the second picture. Bath. What is this? Bath. B-A-T-H, it, bath. What is this? Bath. See the third picture. Both. B-O-B-O, T-H, it, both. Both means two boys are standing. Both. B-O-B-O, T-H, it sound. Both. See this. What is this? Rasta. What you will say in Hindi? This is path. Path means Rasta. P-A-P-T-H, it, path. What is this? Path. See the second line. See the second line. This is one kind of number. What is this? 3. What is this number name? 3. TH. TH, it sound 3. Okay. It sound R-E-E, re, 3. It plus R-E-E, 3. What is this? What this boy is doing? Throw. What is this? Throw. This one is fakena. Fakena. Throw means fakena. TH, it sound R-O-W, row, throw. Okay, throw. Throw means fakena. See the third picture. This is thread. This is thread. C-T-H, it sound R-E-A-D, red, thread. It, T-H, it sound R-E-A-D, red, thread. Thread means what you will say? What is the meaning of thread? Daha. Okay. See the last picture. Thin. T-H, it sound T-H, it sound I-N in, thin. Okay, thin. Thin means patla. Okay, this boy is so thin. See, all this picture is clear. See, now I am going to read aloud. Listen carefully where the letter is coming. TH. Okay, thank. These. There. Thigh. Think. Thrill. Thump. Thief. Think. Thick. Think. That. This. Throw. Thirst. Mouth. Throw. See, listen once again. Thank. These. There. Thigh. Think. Thrill. Thump. Thief. Thick. Think. That. This. Thrown. Thirst. Mouth. Throw. Okay. Take practice in your home. Thank you for your listening. Thank you.